Alright, good morning my friends. I'm going to show you how to change the brake pads in a 2011 Honda Accord. The rear pads, so make sure to lubricate those pins before you install it. There we go. So the one in the bottom has the same process. Has a little rubber going around. Have to take it out. It's easy to take it out. Just pull it out. There it is. So put the grease. It's ready to put it back in. Just slide in there. There we go. It's nice and smooth. So there's the oil brakes. Got the new brakes right here. The new pads. So what I need for replace those brake pads, you need a 12mm socket and 70. And to put this in, you need this little piece. That one, the function, is going in there. See those across right there. So basically, this when I use the one that has two, go in there, and with the Allen wrench, push them and turn it. Every time you turn it, it's gonna push them in. How you do it? You use this one, put it in there, push them in. It's gonna be a little bit hard. Alright, so it's already in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put those brackets. Don't forget to install those little pins. Alright, those little boys are inside. So don't forget to lubricate the brake pads as well. Right here, the pads and the edge. So that one has a sensor. So that one all the way is going in the back, right here. Slide them in, easy and small. Alright. say easy and smooth. And don't forget to put those little pins right here. That's very necessary because these pins, the function is every time you brake, you close, and these pins when you release the brake, I hope the best to open. And the best a little longer. It's easy, my friends. So for those jobs, you don't have to pay the mechanic. There's something you can get it done by yourself. It's very, very easy. Some more grease. In this area right here. This is the grease come with the brake pads. Right there. Alright. So this little pin right here have to slide. Let me show you guys. Inside right here. Hold at the same time. Sometimes it's a little struggling to put this inside. Using your 2 hands, you can get it done. Of course, easy when somebody else helping. When it's lying sitting there, it's easier. Use the same. There you go. Nice and tight. The other one. There we go. Nice and tight. Nice and smooth.